Hey everyone! Today, we'll be going over safe and easy ways to remove earwax at home, and I'll break it down step by step so you know exactly what to do. But first, what are the things you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get into it. Get rid of it! The first step is softening the wax to make it easier to remove. You can use over-the-counter ear drops that are designed for this, or you can use hydrogen peroxide, which has been shown to help break down earwax. You can find hydrogen peroxide in any drugstore, usually at 3% strength, which is perfectly safe for earwax removal. Here's what you do. Lie on your side with the ear that needs cleaning facing up. Take the ear drops or hydrogen peroxide and, using a dropper, place 3 to 5 drops into your ear. Stay in this position for 5 to 10 minutes to let the drops soften the wax. You might hear some bubbling. Don't worry, that's just the solution working on the wax. After the wax has softened, it's time to flush it out. For this step, you'll need a soft rubber bulb syringe and some warm water. The water should be body temperature, not too hot or too cold, because extreme temperatures can cause dizziness. Here's how to do it. Fill the bulb syringe with warm water. Gently tilt your head so the ear you're cleaning is over the sink. Insert the tip of the syringe just into the opening of your ear canal, don't push it deep in. Slowly squeeze the bulb, letting the warm water flush out the softened wax. Now, you don't want to blast the water in there. That can irritate your ear. A gentle flush will do the trick. Repeat this process a couple of times if necessary. Once the wax is flushed out, it's important to dry your ear. Water left inside your ear can lead to infections, so don't skip this step. To dry your ear, use a clean towel or tilt your head to the side and let gravity help. You can also use a cotton ball to gently blot the outside of your ear, but don't stick anything inside the ear canal. When to see a doctor? If the earwax buildup is really stubborn or you're feeling pain, it might be time to see a professional. According to experts like the American Academy of Otolaryngology, if home treatments don't work or if you experience pain, hearing loss, or drainage, it's best to see a doctor. They can use specialized tools to safely remove the wax without risking damage to your ear. Preventing earwax buildup. You might be wondering how you can prevent earwax buildup in the first place. One thing you don't want to do is use cotton swabs. You've probably heard this a million times, but it's true. Cotton swabs can push wax deeper into your ear, making things worse. Instead, you can use ear drops once a week to keep the wax soft and let it naturally work its way out. Alright, so that's how to safely remove earwax at home. It's a simple process when done correctly, and it can help you avoid that annoying feeling of blocked ears. Remember, earwax is there for a reason, so you don't want to remove it too often. Just when it's causing problems. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and share it with anyone who might need some ear cleaning advice. Also, leave a comment if you have any questions or tips of your own. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.